Hello, my name is Chris Rowe, and this is a video for lesson 41. So let's get started with weight and number 1. So we're going to convert 3 pounds to ounces. So we know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. And for number 1, we multiply 1 pound by 3. So we're going to do the same for ounces. And 16 times 3 is 48. So 3 pounds is equal to 48 ounces. Okay, now let's try 2. We're going to convert 5 tons into pounds. And we know that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. And for number 2, we multiplied 1 by 5 to get 5 tons. So we're going to do the same with pounds. So we're going to do 2,000 pounds times 5, which is 10,000. So our answer for number 2 is 10,000 pounds. Now let's try 3. We're going to convert 160 ounces into pounds. So for number 3, we multiplied 16 ounces by 10 to get 160 ounces. So we're going to do the same for pounds. So 1 times 10 is 10. So 160 ounces is equal to 10 pounds. Let's try 4. We're going to convert 32 ounces into pounds. We know that 16 times 2 is equal to 32. So we multiply 16 ounces by 2 to get 32 ounces. We're going to do the same for pounds. 1 times 2 is 2 pounds. Let's try 5. 2 tons into pounds. We know that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. We multiplied 1 by 2 to get 2 tons. So we're going to multiply 2,000 pounds by 2 as well. And 2,000 times 2 is 4,000. So 2 tons is equal to 4,000 pounds. Now let's try mixed review and test prep. Let's try 1. Round 213,467 to the nearest 10. So that's our tens place. And when we're rounding to the nearest 10, we're going to look at the number to the right, which is 7. And 7 is greater than 5. So we're going to round up. And when we round up, 213,467 changes to 213,470. Let's try 2. 5 and 4/5 minus 3 and 1/5. So when we're subtracting mixed numbers, we're going to subtract with the whole numbers and subtract with the fractions. So we're going to subtract 5, and we're going to subtract 3 from 5, which is 2. And we're going to subtract the fractions, that is 3/5. And when we add 2 and 3/5, we get 2 and 3/5 as our answer for number 2. Now let's try 3. 4,306 minus 2,987. 6 is less than 7. And we're going to borrow from 0. That turns 2. That turns into 9. We get 1. So it becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. We can't subtract 9 from 2. So we're going to borrow. Once again, that becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 1,319. Number 4. We're going to convert 5 feet into inches. We know that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So we multiply 1 by 5 in order to get 5 feet. So we're going to do the same with 12. And 12 times 5 is 60. So 5 feet is equal to 60 inches. Now let's try 6. Name the next possible number for each pattern. So from 16 to 32, we added 16. And from 32 to 48, we added 16. And from 48 to 64, we added 16 once again. So the pattern is adding 16. So in order to find the next number, we're going to add 16 into 64. And 64 plus 16 is 80. So that's our answer. Let's try 10. From 3 to 6, we added 3. From 6 to 9, we added 3. And from 9 to 12, we added 3. So in this case, our pattern is adding 3. So to find the next number, we're going to add 3 into 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. So that's our answer for 10. Now let's try mixed strategy practice number 1. Angelo caught a fish that was 2 feet long. Mitch caught a fish that was 5 inches longer. Or, 5 inches shorter than the fish Angelo caught. How long was the fish that Mitch caught? That's a typo. So in order to find this, we're going to have to subtract 5 inches from 2 feet since it is shorter. And before we do that, we're going to convert 2 feet into inches. So we know that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. To get 2 feet, we have to multiply 1 feet by 2. So in order to convert 2 feet into inches, we're going to have to multiply 12 by 2 as well. And 12 times 2 is 24. So 2 feet is equal to 24 inches. And now we can subtract in order to find the length of the fish that Mitch caught. So 24 minus 5 is 19. And that's the length of the fish, or Mitch's fish. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.